Hello and welcome to ICT tutorials. In this video you are going to learn how to insert an arrow in presentation slide, and you can insert a callout box, inserting a text, symbols, and inserting a horizontal line. So in this task 19I you are going to open the presentation that you saved in task 19H, and you are going to add following things, like, and you are going to add an arrow on slide 5 pointing from the first bullet point to the largest segment of the pie chart. So for this we need to open the task 19H. My task 19H is already open. Let's go to slide 5. Okay, this is the slide 5. Here we have to insert one arrow line saying that this is the largest area, largest segment of this pie chart. So let's go to insert, and shapes will take an arrow line like this and point from here to showing this is the largest segment. This is the largest segment like this. Okay, so an arrow on slide 5 pointing from the first bullet point to the largest segment of the pie chart. So this is pointing from the first bullet point to the largest segment. And let's do the second point. A callout box on slide 6 telling the reader that the image of a computer is placed on the master slide. So on which slide? On slide 6. Go to slide 6 and you have to insert a callout box here. Insert, go to shapes, and at the bottom you can see callouts. Look at this. This is callout box. You can take any of this callout box. I will take the square one. Keep it here and click on this and show the pointer to this image. Okay, if you want you can increase the size. What are you going to write here? Add text to this. Edit. Now you write it here. This image, what is that? Telling the reader the image of a computer is placed on the slide master. This image is placed on the slide master. We are telling that this image is actually presented in slide master. This is how we should do. Then we'll move on to the third one. The text copyright Microsoft at the end of the first bullet point on slide 6. On slide 6, okay, 12-point sans serif font. So where are we going? On slide 6 we have to add text copyright Microsoft at the end of first bullet point. 6, slide number 6, at the end of first bullet point. This is play PowerPoint 1 minute, so we'll make it this one little bit up. Okay, so that we can get this. Then on the first bullet point we are going to write, go here, you write copyright. So we need to go to insert, symbols. This is the equation. Go to symbols and you have copyright sign here, C. This is copyright. Close. So Microsoft. Okay, now let's have a look. Microsoft, the text, copyright and Microsoft at the end of the first bullet point, and 12 points sans serif font. This should be 12 points. Let's go to home and it's 24 here. Let's make it 12 points and sans serif. This is sans serif font. Okay, so like this. Next, a 6-point horizontal red line on the slide 6 above the image you inserted in task 19F. 6-point horizontal line about the image. Yeah, here about this. So go to insert, insert shapes, one horizontal line we'll take, we'll draw it. This is the image working with PowerPoint. So on this we will put a line. How many points? 6-point wide. Okay. Size of the image, we'll make it red color, and we'll make the size format shape. Width of the image should be how many points? 6 points, and the color should be red. We'll take that color like this. Okay. Next, we have done with this. Okay, 19i. So this is the end of 19i task. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Stay safe.